Hello, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel. We dicking around in the shed. Yep, just getting ready. Just making sure. I'm gonna have to go put this on. It's dark. We fix going on a road trip, and probably gonna run into some rain. So probably not gonna see much. Probably won't get to. If it's raining, we won't do my bucket list item I wanted to get. But oh well, save it to another time. Welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel. Run an intro. Hey, welcome back to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. It says it's 59 degrees right now in the shed, so yeah, kind of cool. And I forgot to put on my long handles. I have to go change. Anyway, enough of TMI. And unplug that. So we headed down to the Gulf of New Mexico. No, Gulf of New Mexico. Gulf of Mexico. I don't know why they call it Gulf of Mexico. Should be Gulf of United States. But anyway, we're going down there. We're going to see some roadside attractions on the way. And knock off a bucket list item, but not going to happen. But we'll get to see some roadside attractions tomorrow. So I don't know what you see today. So we'll see. So here we go. Here's our room. We got little French doors for the toy shed. Here's a balcony. You can stand out here. I don't think you can see it.
Can't sit out here.
There's the Gulf in Mexico. They got a lazy river over there. Ain't much of a pool. 5.5 feet. Not that bad. I don't know if that's a parking place. Looks like it, I guess. Yep. Well, there you have it for today. We'll show you tomorrow what we do. Yeah, later. Good morning. Look, a seagull. Well, we slept in a little bit, missed the sunrise. It was just flipping the things when I went back to get the... Yep. Well, there you have it for today. We'll show you tomorrow what we do. Yeah, later. Good morning. Look, a seagull. We slept in a little bit, missed the sunrise. It was just flipping the things when I went back to get the... Yep. Well, there you have it for today. We'll show you tomorrow what we do. Yeah, later. Could be record high today. November 6th. People in the ocean. Or Gulf. Or hell, this is the ocean, what we call it. It is about what, 8 o'clock? 7:17. Alright, enough of the ocean for me. Let's go ride motorcycles. Alright, folks. Here we go. It's a pretty nice place. We was on the end down there, top floor on the end. Well, not on the end on this side. We wasn't ocean facing. Let's figure out how to get out of here. So now we're going to go see some roadside attractions over at Barber's Marina. That's the same Barber's that owns Barber's Motorsports. Yes, sirree, Bob. So we'll get you to you when we get over that way. It's a pretty beach day today. I wish I told her. I said, you don't want to stay another night here and then have a long ride home Monday? Well, so I guess we're going to go see roadside attraction and head up through Alabama, through the country roads. Yes, sirree, Bob. Bob's your uncle. What's up, Bob? Here we are at the wharf. Yeah, big old wharf. Yep. All the ships and big old yachts is out there on the water. See them? I don't know if you can see them. Yep. Big old yachts, as Jerry Clower used to call them. Big old yachts. Yahtsees. Alabama Intercoastal Waterway. Yeah, buddy, we up here. We're probably higher than the highest point in Florida. We got to pay tolls. Yep, toll road. I guess they only got one open. Hello, so we headed over here to Bamahenge. It's sort of like Stonehenge, but not. It's fiberglass, and it's in Alabama. Hence the name Bamahenge. It should be better than Truckhenge. So yeah, I've been to couples. One in Kentucky is Stonehenge, and I feel what they called it, Kentucky Henge, I think. I don't remember. Then we went to Truckhenge. Yeah, that was laid down. And now we're going to Bamahenge up here. Yeah. All right. We'll catch you when we get there. All right. This either Bamahenge or we're gonna get stuck. I think it's Bamahenge, or it's a water tower. Yeah, I think this is it. It's Bamahenge. Yep, get stopped here. Alright, well that's Bamahenge. If you want to see the whole video, go up here. Well, get on the bike, go look at some dinosaurs. A spider, a knight, and a lady in the bay. Alright, we leaving Stonehenge. Ooh, gravel was thick. I spawned a little bit trying to get up that little dip. I should have went down that road right there because there's a dinosaur right up here. T-Rex. Maybe it's farther down than I thought it was. Never mind. There's T-Rex. We'll come back up there. So here's the dinosaurs in the woods. It's supposed to be a knight somewhere down here in the woods, but we'll find him in a minute. Maybe. Maybe we will. We're going to look at these dinosaurs, and you can tell me what they are. I know T-Rex, and this is one of them, one with the swinging tails. I watched Jurassic Parks. And then there's some kind of artwork there. I don't know what that is, but it's marked. You got this dinosaur here. Watch his tail. Ooh, we're still getting stuck out here. We riding in sand. I didn't see no sign that says we couldn't. I'm a pervert. Mr. Mustache owes me a dirt bag sticker. I'm not. Is this really dirt? This is sand. I'm a sandbagger today. All right, this is the one that's like a little rhino deal. We'll get pictures coming back out. We'll go to T-Rex first. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Mr. Barber's like to collect stuff like this. All around his track, he's got a bunch. And then down here is his marina. He's got a bunch. So we're going to ride out here to this T-Rex. Watch. It's all about that friction zone. People say, I gotta have a clutch, hydraulic clutch, because you can't do the friction. What was that T-Rex at? We didn't pass them. There's the T-Rex. Alright, here's the T-Rex. And you going in his mouth. T-Rex looking at me. T-Rex. T-Rex will eat me. T-Rex. Alright, we've seen the dinosaurs. Let's see if we can go find a knight now. Whew, got sand in my boots. Yep. Here's the Barber's Marina. I don't see the lady in the bay. But there she's the big spider right here. Giant spider. Maybe the lady in the bay's on the other side. Alright, here's the giant spider. Made out of tubing. I hit drive shaft or something. It's thick tubing. Oh, he's gonna eat me. Don't eat me, Mr. Spider. Yep. Alright, black widow, I guess. Go under the legs and see his butt. BS, bullshit. Yeah, you knew what I was gonna say. Alright. Anyway, so we got 108 miles to go to an old 1925 gas station over in Alabama. We got to go through Florida to get there, so we'll see you over that way. So we're back in Alabama now. We've been in Georgia, Florida, Alabama. Now we back in Alabama. Yep. Betty's Fireworks, best bang in town. Betty's the best bang in town. That's what the sign says right there. See it? See it? Best bang in town. Betty's Fireworks. Well, I thought this light was going to change. Right there it goes. Flea market deal. Here's the old gas station. That side. Oh, there's a hole there. Of course, she's gonna come right in behind me. Of course she will. I don't know if they got 93 dead dinosaurs. You gotta pump the handles locked up. Here's the filling station of Ed Smith. Story of Ed Smith. He had this gas station open since 1925. He was killed right inside the door, and in 2016 his killer was brought to he confessed. That's what I was trying to say. So we go to the depot up there for rent. Restaurant, selling venue, lunch and dinner menu. Turn here, 1 block on the right. You want to go to the depot? Pretty neat little town. Fola Alla. It's got one of them corner places. Yeah. Got your one-stop garage right here. So you could drive all around this place. Here's where they did the oil changes. Yep, they just run them down through the hole. Get a standard oil products. Here's your bathrooms. It's got your gentlemen's lot. Yep, got your tire changing. This where you come. I know it's extra lube. You have your tire changed. Her daddy's got one of these. And you change your tires. You pump your oil. That's the leaded gasoline. And like I said, he was killed right inside the door. So and then his son restored it in 75, I think. And then in 2016, his accuser was confessed. So this is what it would look like back in the day. Huh. It's a cute little town. We eat at the depot. And it was real good. Here's that big fish. We're gonna go past it again. You turn right by the big fish and run down through the houses on the left. That's the big fish. Alrighty. So we got 3.2 miles for one more roadside attraction for today, and we'll be done. Here we is, and it's let me. Right there it is. It's right now it's 339 feet above sea level. The highest point in Alabama. In Florida. We in Florida. Alright, here's Lakewood Park, Florida's highest point, 345 feet. I guess I am walking uphill a little bit. So it's certified as the highest point in Florida. So that place where they go down in Orlando when you watch Blockhead in them video and he'll quit. I don't remember where they was at. They said it was highest point. This is certified highest point in Florida, 345 feet right over here. That's what the thing says. Lakewood Park, Florida's highest point, 345 feet. If I stand on this, I'll be higher than anybody in Florida. So, we'll catch you when we get to the hotel. See you later. I forgot to show outside of our hotel. There's they all tucked in. Hope nobody misses food. And then this is our room. We got 2 TV. I'm gonna sleep in here so I can watch TV, and she can watch what she wants to. Anyway, check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. Give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you tomorrow. Or, well, actually, probably be 2 more days after this, or 3 maybe. Depends on whenever this airs. Later.